Hello everyone, welcome to this module. Today's topic is how 3D printing is useful in prototyping. So let's start. 3D printing is often discussed as a solution for small scale manufacturing. The technology can also play an important role in the process of prototyping and refining new products. Large corporations have been using this technology to prototype their products for years. But as the price of printer have dropped, 3D printing have also become an accessible prototyping tool for small businesses. There are four most important advantages of 3D printing in the prototyping process. Advantage number 1, ability to change. The product design process rarely ends with the first prototype. Instead, most prototype products go through an extensive process of testing and change before design are finalized. 3D printing is one of the best way to speed up this process, as changes can be easily made by updating a product's CAD file and sending the amended file to the printer. As a result, the process of testing, changing and refining a design that could have otherwise take weeks or even months under a more traditional prototyping model can be reduced to a matter of days. Advantage number 2, reduces the cost. Just as 3D printers can help businesses create their prototypes more quickly, they can also reduce the overall cost of the process. Using 3D printing technology, businesses can achieve the same result at the fraction of the cost. Advantage number 3, fast turnaround time. Most of businesses don't have in-house prototyping resources, have had to outsource the creation of the prototypes to the third-party shops. The problem with this module is when a prototype is required and when it is delivered. Businesses that has access to a quality 3D printer, on the other hand, can typically create prototypes from their product design in 24 hours or less. Last but not the least advantage, flexible material choice. The selection of 3D printer filament type has expanded dramatically. Today, users can choose from material that include ABS, PLA, PETG, and thermoplastic, and even nylon. The practical advantage of this selection when it comes to prototyping is that creators can test different material when making the parts. Best of all, the same machine can be used to print the part using each variety of filament users wishes to try. So guys, that's a wrap on this module. Thank you.